morning from our hotel, the Hotel Lavender. Sa harap namin itong Jalan Besar Community Club and the Kitchener Complex. Diyan yung Toast Box. Tapos dun banda yung Mustafa banda. Hindi na kami pumunta. A few comments dito sa room. Okay yung size ng bed. Sakto naman kami. Outlet is yung ganito. Pero gumagana naman kahit yung atin na dalawang saksakan. Hindi naman nagka-problema. Tapos, pag pumunta kayo dito sa banyo, wala siyang yung men, walang pang-shave. Meron lang toothbrush, toothpaste, and shower cap. Yan. So, tips lang for the women. Mas madaling magbitbit ng ganito kaysa sa bra. So, mas gusto ko to. Meron sa TikTok itong Dude or meron yung Ecora or yung yung iba, Hera, ganyan. Pero hindi ko sure kung hanggang kailan. Parang feeling ko mas sustainable pa rin yung seamless na bra. Ayun. Tapos okay to. Good buy to. Mga 50 plus lang per 50 pesos. Ang ganito. Hindi ko alam kung ilang gamit pero sobrang gaan. Tapos kahit mawala, di okay lang. At least, hindi masyadong, magsisisi. Yan. Tapos meron silang coffee, tea, and creamer and sugar. Syempre, kainom ako na. Ayan lang. And then the password, you get it from the yan. Tapos, dito naman, merong mini ref. So, okay siya for people na kailangan ng lagay ng insulin. Yun lang, basa. Hindi ko alam bakit ganyan. Pero pinatungan ko ng plastic para malinis. And then, merong safe dito. Ito yung cabinet. And then, dito naman sa drawer na to, merong blow dryer. Wala lang walang saksakan dun sa loob ng CR para sa pag-shave. Ayan, so dito kami sa labas nag-shave. Ayan lang. It was a wonderful stay pa rin. Mainit naman yung shower. Nung una lang hindi lumabas So, yun lang ang aking masasabi tungkol sa room na ito. Or repeat outfit. So, para magkasya ang 3 araw na 3 kami. Isang bag lang. And ito, mga pasalubong na to kayo. And jackets. Yan. Pero, pag sinot na namin yung jacket, ito nilalagay ko na sa maleta. So, okay talaga. Kaya naman yung light packing. Okay, bye!
Bye-bye!
Good morning! Andito tayo sa tawid ng hotel. So, dito ang food area. Tapos doon ang train station. Ito ang toast box. Magto-toast box kami. That's the hotel, and this is Toast Box. The traditional Singaporean is soft-boiled egg, soft-boiled egg, and then a bit of soy. And a bit of white pepper. And I don't know what this is, but it's vinegar. And then, the fork.
I'll just have this.
The fork is there. Okay, and then mix it. And then dip your toast later.
Like that?
Good.
I think this is vinegar. Try it. It's the same.
That's what made it
It's
flavor.
good. Now everyone, start eating. This is mine. Good morning again. Naka-check out na kami dyan sa V Hotel and we are heading to Bendemeer Station. Ayan. Naglalakad na kami papunta sa station to go to Destiny Singapore. It's at McPherson. See you there. That is Bendemeer Street and this is Lavender Street. And I don't know what this is, but we're going here. This is what you call an Echo umbrella dryer. Ganyan. Sana may ganyan din tayo. No? Anyway, heading down na. We're at the Bendemeer station. Here is a quick way to find out kung dito ka ba or dito. Well, may mga ano naman, arrow. So kung dito ka, yan ang mga puntahan. Pero mukhang dito tayo. Yan, dyan tayo. And if you are still confused, you could look at the screen. Tayo. Oh, perfect. This is the line going to the expo. Dito tayo. So, McPherson. 6 minutes. Antioch. Dito daw yung Eras Tour. Sinong pumunta?
Taylor Swift.
Si Taylor Swift. Ay, pumunta kayo. Ang saya naman. Aba. Kasama namin ang Destiny Singapore. And CJ, Stevie. Ako, wala pala akong video ah. Si Alvin, si Bianca, mag-asawa. Nauna na yung iba. Hello. Hello. Hello everyone.
Hello, vlog.
This is the outdoor theater, the DDS Foundation, and this is Canopy. This is where we're having lunch. Ano yan? Libre aircon?
Yes. Right. Wait, a moment. May kasalanan si Loy or si Pastor Carlo?
Saan?
Nag-introduce ng Puma.
Mga pinamili sa Puma. Sorry, hindi ko na na-video, guys. Saka last day rin naman ngayon. Nandito kami sa Expo. Singapore Expo. And pupunta kami sa kabilang outlet naman. Pero hindi na kami bibili. Kakain lang.
I found the exit.
No, let's...
Which path do we take? The left or the right?
Right, I think.
Okay, we're going to the right. We're just back in the end. You like the flowers when they bloom? Just watch this. Sure.
I think they're shy. Whoa. Very nice. Hey. Okay. Stop it. Stop it na.
I just want a video the way. So, where are we going, guys? This is just a big loop. Whatever.
You're too fast. They will get confused. That's enough, son.
Okay, let's see what's here. Yo,
Son.
totally. Ooh, a new gate.
It's a new gate. Oh,
And someone's there.
yeah.
option.
Go! Why are you waiting for me? Go meet him. Hey guys! Wave guys! Wave at me!
He wants some aircon.
Wala nyo magkano yung storage.
Magkano?
$55.
Ha? $55? Ay, edi sana, minessage nyo na lang kami na wag na lang. Sana bumili lang tayo ng sapatos. Well, at least may storage tayo up to the time before we go to the boarding gate. Ay, the terminal. Magkano that? $50?
$55. Leave me alone. Sabi ko sa kanya, plus $20.
Kawawa naman, nabudol ng 50, ano? 55? $55. Oy, CJ, wag mong galawin yan. Bango. Ito yung mabango. The name is Swimming in Harmony. CJ, what does Singapore mean?
Orchid.
Nice. Orchid. Ay, hala. Foggy balls. Don't step. CJ, don't do that. Ito naman ang tinatawag na bouncing net. If you are afraid of heights, you should avoid this attraction. Ano itong walking net na attraction? Ito ang makikita mo sa baba. Woo!
Ano, pwede tayo dito?
Hindi ko in-avail to and sarado na rin siya.
Magwala ka tayo dito?
Gusto niyo po ba? Dad, dito na!
Are we gonna eat Singapore also?
Yeah. If it's still open. Reflect na. Baka ngayon lang lumabas.